Today I'd like to show you a Google Chrome extension called Screencastify. If you go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Screencastify, you will see this icon. If you do not have it installed, there will be a blue button here that says Add to Chrome. If you go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, it'll ask you again, do you want to add it? And you say yes. Once you have added the Screencastify extension and you go to your Google Drive, you will then see a folder that is automatically created in there called Screencastify. This is where all of your recordings will be stored. The first time that you use Screencastify, it will ask you where you want to store your recordings, and you can either choose a local drive, which you don't want to do, or you can choose your Google Drive, and that's the choice you want to make. It will ask you to allow Screencastify access to your Google Drive, so you'll say allow. And the very first time you try to record, it will ask you if it's okay if Screencastify uses your microphone and your camera. If you allow that, then you'll be able to record. I'm going to show you what it looks like to record. You can see that I'm using Screencastify because this little icon right to the right of the URL box has a little red dot on it. That means that I'm recording. If I wasn't recording, it would just be a little black film strip piece right here. So once you have Screencastify open, if you click on it, it will ask you if you want to record the desktop or the camera. If you want to record yourself sitting in front of the webcam, you'll choose the camera. If you want to record the movements that you're making on your desktop, you will choose desktop. Once you click record, it will begin recording and it will show all the moves that you make on your computer. It will also record the audio. Once those are recorded in your Screencastify folder, you will see all the videos that you have made. If you click on one of these videos and you want to share that, click on the video and then go right here to this little share button, and it will let you share things exactly like you share any other Google Doc. You'll go here, you can either share it, you can change the settings so that anyone in GISD with the link can access it, anyone with the link can access it, or you can invite individual people here to edit that. So you probably want to leave these things in your Screencastify folder. If you go to this little Screencastify icon and click here on these little bars, it will let you choose your recordings, and it'll show you all the videos that have been made. If you wanted to upload one of these videos to YouTube, you click on the video and you can see this little share button. If you click on this share button, it will let you choose YouTube, and then you all have a YouTube channel because of your Granbury ISD Google account. So you would click there, and then you can choose how private you want the video to be. And then you will click upload, and it will automatically upload that to your YouTube channel. So Screencastify is a very easy tool, but very powerful as well. And remember, we are going to leave these videos in the Screencastify folder for our Google Academy purposes, just so that it will be easy to upload them to YouTube if you choose to do so. So this is the one tool that we're not going to create in our Google Academy folder. So go ahead and leave it in the Screencastify folder and change the sharing settings so that anyone with the link can view on your video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or call.